Congratulations and welcome to the Enterprise. You are now an official team member of an overarching corporation. We are leading the way in complete domination. So, rigidity in operation is without exception mandatory. This training exercise is designed to disclose what is expected of your service while in employ. To begin, we will lay out the schedule you are to be in service. There is no time when you may refuse a summons to the duty prescribed. You are on call at any moment. It's quite simple to remember. Here's a mnemonic device to aid in your memory. 2 things. Can't, refuse, anytime. That's it. Now for duties involved.
At the very beginning of the shift is to punch his time card. It is against
Come on,
let anyone else punch your time.
Good.